Alright, so volume of prisms, 6gm2. So your focus question is, how can I apply the formula for area to find volume of prisms? Alright, so we're going to talk about two types of prisms. Rectangular prisms and triangular prisms. Okay? So just to remind you what they look like. This is going to be your rectangular prism. And that's your triangular prism. Okay. Alright. To find the area of prisms, we need to find, to find the volume of prisms, we have to find the area of the base, which is as a big B. So a big B is area of the base times the height of the prism. So I'm just going to use this as an example 1, example 2. I'm going to give it some numbers, okay? So let's say 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 8 1/10 centimeters, okay? So to find the volume of that prism, this is example 1. We would say the area of the base times the height. What is our base? What is it? What shape? It's a rectangle. So our base would be 3 times 4 because that's how you would find the base, correct? It's just a rectangle. Times the height of the prism, which is 8 1/10. 3 times 4 is 12. Times 8 1/10. What do you get? Yeah, you'll need your calculator. I need something to drink. Quietly get your calculator. 97. It's actually centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed. Remember, area was squared. Centimeters is, centimeters. Volume is cubed. It's to the 3rd power. Alright, so let's give our triangular prism some numbers. 4 centimeters is the height of the triangle. The base is 10 centimeters. The height of the prism is 21 5/10 centimeters. Yes, ma'am. 4 centimeters. Yes, we are. Okay, so we're using the same formula. Second example. Same formula. Area of the base times the height. Well, what is the base? Wait. What shape? Talk to me about the shape. What shape is that? A triangle. Remember, prisms have 2 bases, top and the bottom, and they're identical. This, I just said it on its side, but this is a triangle. Okay? So you would have to do base times height divided by 2 of your triangle times the height of the prism. Y'all following me? Thumbs up if you understand what I just said. Okay, so don't get these 2 heights confused. Okay? So this one right here is just the base. So I'm talking about just this figure right here. Okay? So tell me my numbers for my triangle. Okay. Keep going. What's my units? It's going to be so hard. Cubed. Yeah, it's going to be hard to try to train yourself to say cubed for volume.
Oh, it's a third power?
Yeah, to the 3rd power. It's cubed.
I thought it was a 2.
No, that would be area. Volume is cubed.
So you don't divide.
The height of the prism is, bless you, is 21 centimeters.
That's the height?
Of the prism. Remember, it's like I took this. Let me get my figure out again. It's like, okay, so it's sitting like this, but I'm actually standing it up because this from here to here is the height of my prism. So from triangle to triangle is the height of my prism. Okay? So don't get the height of the triangle confused with the height of the prism. Okay, that's why I wrote this over here. Height of prism. Okay.
So with the base,
So with what?
the height for this would be 4 too.
Of the triangle is just 4.
Okay, so there's no.
Then the height of the prism, that's just like this right here. Base times height, 4 times 3. But remember, it's a triangle, so your height is perpendicular to your base, just like it is here, but it's just not an edge. You have to find the height directly down the middle of the triangle. Okay, let's try a right triangular prism. You'll be able to see that one a little better, okay? All right, draw your right triangle. Bless you. All right, let's say this is 3.5 inches. And this is 1 500 inches, and the height of my prism is 18 inches. Okay, so volume of equals volume, the area of the base times the height of the prism. Okay, so what is my base? What shape? What shape is the base? Triangle. So you got to do base times height divided by 2. So let's look at my triangle. What's the base? What's the height? Divided by 2. Times the height of my prism, which is 18. Alright, so do this right here on your calculator real quick. Give me a thumbs up when you got it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, thumb's going up everywhere. Alright, what do we get, Ryan?
33 and 75 inches cubed.
Well, I wanted you to do this one first.
Oh.
Let's double check it.
3 and 675 hundred.
That's kind of a long number.
81 and 8,375.
Times 18.
33 and 7,500
Yeah.
inches cubed.
Inches cubed. Good job.